In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in ClickUp. Whether you're working with a small team or managing a larger group, knowing how to invite new members and assign roles is an essential part of utilizing ClickUp effectively. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you have a seamless experience as you expand your team. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the ClickUp website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to app.clickup.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account. You may see an option to continue as yourself if you've logged in previously on that browser. Simply click on Continue As, followed by your username or email. This step is straightforward and helps verify your identity before accessing your account. Next, the screen will prompt you to choose your Google account. This is usually required if you've set up your ClickUp account with Google's single sign-on. Click on the Google account you use with ClickUp. This will authenticate your login and take you directly to your workspace. Just ensure you're selecting the correct account to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, look to the top left corner of the application where you'll find the name or title of your current workspace. Clicking on this will bring up a variety of options related to your workspace management. Here, focus on finding and selecting the People section. This area is essential as it's where you manage team members associated with your workspace. In the People section, you'll see an option that says Invite People. Click on it and a new window or sidebar will open up, giving you the ability to add new members by their email addresses. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite, being careful to type them correctly to ensure your invitations reach the right people. After entering the email addresses, you'll need to determine what level of access you'd like these new members to have. ClickUp offers various roles such as admin or member, each with differing levels of access rights and capabilities. Picking the appropriate role is important for effective team collaboration and managing sensitive tasks or information within your workspace. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information and chosen the right permissions, the last step is to send the invitation. Click on the Send Invite button to dispatch your invites. The recipients will receive an email with instructions to join your ClickUp workspace, and once they accept, they'll be active members of your team. That's it. You've successfully invited new members to ClickUp, allowing your team to grow and thrive. Remember that managing team roles efficiently can greatly influence productivity and collaboration, so be mindful of the permissions you assign. Happy collaborating.